come in, sir?
Yeah, please come.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Kavya, please be seated.
Thank you, sir.
Introduce yourself, Kavya.
Sir, my name is Kavya. I'm basically from Kerala. I completed my graduation in BTech in ECE in the year 2018. My father, Mr. Suresh Kumar, he is actually working abroad in Dubai. My mother, Mrs. Priya Suresh, she is a homemaker, and I have a brother, Akhil Suresh. He is working in the social sector in Bangalore itself. I'm married, and my husband's name is Mr. Arun Chandran, and he is working as an assistant professor in the College of Pharmacy in Bangalore itself.
Okay. Now you graduated in 2018.
Yes, sir.
And what were you doing last 4 or 5 years? Of course, marriage has taken place.
Yes, sir.
But were you trying for banks
Yes,
or
sir. Yes,
any
sir.
other job?
For banking, sir. For the past 4 years, I have been preparing for banking exams.
Okay. Why banking?
Because I found myself that I will be satisfied with in the banking sector. I guess before 4 years, I came to know about the banking sector, and then I realized that I'll enjoy working there. So, and definitely I thought I'll go for banking itself.
Any advantages in joining a bank?
Yes, sir. The banking, working in a banking industry, I believe it's the most respectable job. And also,
No, why I'm asking is, now your husband is working here.
yes, sir.
If you are selected and you are posted somewhere outside, how will you manage?
Anyway, we'll try for long distance relation for the first maybe 1 or 2 years, and afterwards we'll see. He also can move. We'll see. He understands the importance of working in a government office. My in-laws, both my in-laws are government employees, so he understands well what being a government employee means. So he can go with that.
Okay. So you said that you are from Kerala.
Yes,
Which
sir.
place in Kerala?
I am from Pathanamthitta, Adur.
Adur.
Yes, sir.
Any special, which district it is?
Pathanamthitta district.
Pathanamthitta.
Yes, sir.
Any specialities
So
about
the temple Sabrimala is actually in Pathanamthitta, and then Pathanamthitta is also famous for Aramula boat race.
And you are in touch of Kerala news?
I think so, yes, sir.
Yeah. Yesterday, Kerala government chief minister and others were in Delhi. You know any reason for that?
I don't know.
You
I'm
don't
sorry.
know. Okay, no problem. And now tell me, what do you know about a bank? What is a bank?
So banking is a financial institution where people come for bank accept deposit from the people, and they lend loans to the people, and the profit the bank acquires is from the interest, difference in the interest what they charge to the people and from them.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the difference between a bank and NBFC?
NBFC is a non-banking financial companies, and it is the thing is that banking can accept deposit, whereas in NBFCs they cannot accept accepting a deposits.
Demand deposit.
Demand deposit, yes, sir. They can give the credit, loan to people in a small scale banking way.
NBFCs accept some type of deposit, not like all banking deposit, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So demand deposits are accepted only by banks. And another is it is all repayable on demand.
Yes, sir.
What is demand deposit and what is term deposit?
Sir, demand deposit and term deposit both are known as NDTL. Demand deposit means those deposits in the bank which has to be given back to the customers on demand. Like for example, CASA, FD and RD. They are I'm sorry, sir.
Don't be confused. CASA is the demand deposit.
Sorry, yes, sir.
Current and
CASA is
savings
the
account.
current. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
CASA is the demand deposits, and fixed deposit and recurrent deposits are the term deposits.
Okay. Now I was telling what is NBFC. Can you name some famous NBFC from Kerala?
Muthoot is from Kerala.
Muthoot Finance and Manappuram Finance also. So they are big. Okay. So what do you know about NIM? You said no? Bank
NIM.
Yeah.
It is the net interest margin. The same. It is a difference between interest the bank charges. Give to the customers on for deposits, and the interest the bank charges for the loans given. Suppose if I can open a account deposit for 5% interest, and the bank provides a loan for 10% interest, the different 5% will be the profit of the bank. So that is called as the net interest margin.
Okay. What is the asset for a bank? What is the liability for a bank?
The liability means the the deposits, the deposit held by the bank, they are supposed to give it back to the people, customers.
So they are liabilities.
They are liabilities. Assets means the loans the given by the bank are the asset for them, because at last in return they will be getting back the money from the people.
Yeah, Kavya,
Yes, sir.
you are from Kerala.
Yes,
Do you have still contact with Kerala?
yes, sir.
Okay. Who is your member of parliament?
My Mr. Antony,
And who is the governor of Kerala?
Mr. Arif Mohammed Khan.
Okay. Have you heard about the blue flag beaches?
Blue flag. Yes, I'm not sure, but I think it represents the neatness of the beach. I think I'm not
Okay,
sure. So
correct.
I'm
You are
sorry.
right.
Oh, okay.
Kerala, which can you name a beach which is?
There is Varkala beach. There's Kovalam beach.
Yeah. Okay. Who is our finance minister? Okay. Government of India?
Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman.
Okay. Have you heard about our recent budget? Have you gone through?
Yes,
Okay.
interim budget.
Can you? Is it a regular budget or
It's an interim budget.
interim budget?
Yes.
Okay. What is the difference between a regular budget and interim budget?
The regular budget is actually for a longer time period, whereas interim budget is for a shorter time period. Since
You mean
elections
to say that there will be one more budget during this year?
sir?
You mean to say that there will be another budget?
After the elections,
Okay.
they can fix the
Can you tell some 3-4 highlights of that budget?
the yes, sir. There are the 4 pillars. Mainly the 4 pillars are the poor, the women, and youngsters, and then farmers. They will be promoting for the upliftment of these upliftment of these sectors, and then I guess the fiscal deficit will be shortened to 5.1%. They are planning to decrease the fiscal deficit by this year.
Okay. Who is the governor of Reserve Bank of India?
Sir, Mr. Shaktikanta Das.
Okay. How many deputy governors are there?
4 deputy governors are there for RBI.
Okay. Have you heard about this monetary policy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who manages that monetary policy?
There's a committee. The chairman, I'm not sure, sir. There's a committee. I guess I'm not sure, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay. Monetary policy committee.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Any news about that they are meeting today?
Today's notes. No, I'm not aware. sir.
Yesterday there was a meeting. Today there is a news. Yesterday there was a MPC meeting. Monetary policy committee meeting was there yesterday.
Okay, sir.
Have you gone through the newspapers?
I might have. I don't remember right now. So I'm
Okay.
sorry.
What is the object of this monetary policy?
It's a tool to regulate the inflation in the country. So there are certain
Only inflation or liquidity?
both are dependent.
Okay. Suppose when inflation is high, okay, whether policy rates will be increased or decreased?
Increase, sir.
Okay. What will happen because of increasing policy rates?
Because of the increasing of the policy rate, the banks, for example, repo rate, if the repo rate is increased, the banks will not be able to borrow money from the RBI, so thereby reducing the cash flow in the economy.
Okay. If the inflation is on account of demand, it's okay. There is more demand, you want to control money supply.
Yes.
If there is a inflation on account of supply side, supply shortage, okay, then how that inflation can be managed?
I don't
Have you heard about the fiscal policy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who manages that fiscal
The
policy?
government, government side, the policy.
Okay, they can suppose onion prices are there. Okay, they can restrict the export ban, or they may import more. Okay, okay. What is NPA?
And it's non-performing assets.
Okay.
Okay, they are assets that are considered dead assets for the bank. They don't get any, the banks won't get any profit from these non-performing assets. That is, if a customer is unable to
Okay.
pay back the.
You are selected and posted in the branch. Okay, you are in advanced department.
Okay.
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 How will you bring down your NPA level?
First of all, I'll try when a customer comes for asking for the loan. First of all, we'll try to find the authenticity of the customer, whether they'll be.
No, I told you already NPAs are there. You are telling about how to prevent, how you are preventing.
Okay.
That is also an answer,
Oh.
because by preventing fresh slippages,
Yes.
you are controlling it.
Yes, sir.
But already existing NPAs, how do you resolve them?
There's certain companies. I forgot their name, but they can actually buy these. And also there is SARFAESI Act, right? SARFAESI Act. They can the property, physical property can be given for
When a
auction.
patient goes to the doctor, You will straight away take that patient to the operation theatre, or first
No,
what?
no.
You will diagnose, analyze.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first you have to analyze the reasons why that account has become NPA. Genuine reason. Give them some time. Rephase, restructure. Okay, try to pursue. Can you educate the customer and recover? Can you create awareness?
Yes.
How?
Yes.
Tell me.
We can actually bring out awareness about all these things to the customers. Like when the customer comes, we can.
No, NPA customer is there.
Huh.
How will you tell that? If you pay, what will happen? If you don't pay, what will happen? Whether in his own interest, if he pays, what he is going to get?
I don't know, sir.
You heard about the credit score?
Yes.
CIBIL
sir.
score
Yes,
and all?
sir. Yes, sir.
Whether if it is account is NPA, whether the score will go down?
Yes, sir. So if the
Okay.
score goes
And
down,
if the account, if it is NPA, and whether you will get a loan from any other bank in future?
no.
So
The
that you
CIBIL
will
score is-
educate them, no?
Yes.
If you don't pay, you this one is there, in future you will not going to get. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you also mentioned CASA when sir was asked.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Banks prefer which type of deposits? CASA deposits or term deposits?
Banks,
Banks prefer which type of deposit?
CASA,
CASA. Why?
because their interest is very less, so they can make more profit from them.
That's the only reason.
I think so. I'm not
Term
aware, sir.
deposits, people come for opening FD and they may come for taking. But CASA customers come regularly to the branches, no? So you can sell your other products also. Scope
Yes,
is there
yes,
for
sir.
selling your other products also, apart from your name. Okay. Then, what is the role of RBI?
RBI is actually the banker to the banks. It's also act as the bank to the government also. And also it regulates the money in the economy, and then it also act as the custodian of the foreign reserves, and then that's it.
Okay. You mentioned their role is to print currency, manage currency.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Whose signature is there on 1 rupee note?
Whose?
Signature is there on 1 rupee note.
I guess governors.
Governor?
Governor.
And higher denomination?
Governor only. I'm not sure, sir. In
Okay.
notes.
1 rupee note? Because 1 rupee note is now nobody sees nowadays.
I'm not sure, sir.
1 rupee note is a real currency that is signed by finance secretary.
Okay.
Others are by government. Okay. That denomination is mentioned in how many languages on the rupee note?
14 languages.
14.
I think so.
Is there any relevance? How many languages? How they decide? Is there any schedule in the constitution? The language appearing in
I'm
that?
not sure, sir. I don't know.
Okay. There are 17 languages including English and Hindi.
Oh, fine.
Okay. 15 other languages. Okay. If you are selected, what would you like to be career ambition? What would you like to see yourself in the bank after 5 years?
So after 5 years, anyway, I'll be gaining more experience in the manager, maybe assistant manager, branch manager post. I may be. I work hard for that.
Yeah.
So, what are the roles and responsibilities of bank PO?
Sir, the bank PO is someone who has to have knowledge about everything that goes on in the bank. So customer relations comes first, and then there is advances. Then we also have to go for check the accountings, and then to the products also sold by the banks. We have to go manage them, and
There is a maker checker concept in the banking. Do you know that? What is it?
I don't know, sir.
What is the need of KYC in bank?
So KYC, there are many frauds happening, so we have to find the authenticity of the customers. So KYC is required for that, checking them.
Money laundering.
Money
Yes, sir.
laundering.
Money.
Anti-money laundering. Okay. What are the major challenges in a current scenario apart from NPA in the banking industry?
The current scenarios, the banking sector is actually going digital right now.
Yeah.
So that cultural shift may be not comfortable for many people. So we have to bring more awareness to the people about the digital sector, banking sector, and even the employees also has to deal with them, the digitalization of the banking. So I think that would be another issue.
Correct.
Right.
Banking frauds also you
Yes,
can
sir.
include into that. Yes. Okay. Do you know about what are the types of collaterals available in banking industry?
Yes, sir. There is promissory note.
Collateral, not negotiable instrument.
Sorry.
Okay,
Properties,
no
we can use properties.
Yes. Securities.
Securities,
Securities
yes,
on the loans.
Yes. Then there is automobiles, we can use them as collateral. Then there is security bills also, right?
Okay, no problem. One last question is, how to recover the agriculture loan?
Agriculture loan, there is actually various crop insurance schemes provided by the government. So if at all a farmer cannot pay back the loan provided,
Yeah.
the government can help them. Fasal Bima Yojana insurance is there, and then there is also provision for central bank or state government can pay back to the banks.
Can we use SURFACE on this agriculture NPA?
I don't know. Yeah, no, sir, no.
You're sure?
Yes, I'm not sure.
Okay.
Sorry.
Take.
So, Kavya,
Yes.
so you have done well. You have taken any training anywhere, coaching?
Yes, sir. I have gone to the IBPS Institute in Bangalore
Yeah.
for the last year, for the last 1 year.
And mock interview?
Yes, I went with the Oliveboard for mock interview.
So, all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Regarding feedback, Kavya, okay, good, you have done well, okay, your communication is good, okay, body language is good, okay, and some current affairs, though you know, but you have to update some current affairs and all, okay, all the way.
Thank you.
So when sometime the panel member just asked the question again to check your confidence level. So on the agriculture, your answer was actually right.
Okay.
That is, SURFACE Act does not work on the agricultural NPA. So just if you have knowledge, so be confident and say that yes sir, I am aware about it. Okay. Remaining your performance was good. Very good.
Kavya, your knowledge level is good. That's why I asked whether you appeared for any other interview. I think you are well versed with this. I didn't want to ask which interviews, but you have appeared for that. And IBS Institute, I am heading the institute. It is my institute. That is why I know you. I think you have come earlier also mock interview in IBS as well as this. According to me, you should have been in a bank last year itself. Somehow luck also from us. This time you will definitely be.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Thank you so much.
I know you appeared 2-3 interviews. One of this you will be there.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, all the way.
All the
Thank you
best.
so much.